Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Geritol subscription. So basically, if you have purchased any Geritol supplement on their official website and by mistake if you have taken any subscription on their official website, so how you can cancel if you have subscribed autorefills. Okay, so the cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply call their customer support team. Then their customer support team phone number is available on their official website. You need to visit on the official website and you can find out their phone number very easily on the page of subscribe and save at very bottom side. Like over here you can see subscribe and save button. So you can visit on this page and you can find out the phone number and you can contact them and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription and they will cancel your subscription. If the phone number is not available, you can also tell them in the form of email. You just need to simply compose an email, and in the email you need to send an email. In the email you need to write something like this. You can see over here. You need to compose an email. Email format, you can copy this or you can take a screenshot or you can take help from ChatGPT. You can compose this email and you can send the email at their email address. The email address is also available on their subscribe and save button. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.